Today, Mr. Lamidi Apapa came to court with security details and also with a lawyer senior advocate of Nigeria. But it was interesting at the moment the lawyer Apapa brought to court wanted to brief the judges. He was humiliated and he was sent out. However, the camp of Apapa has been, blowing hot. There is tension in his camp now. Why? Because everything he was pursuing, it seems that the road now has been blocked. It seems he has come to the end of his agitation, of his of his hatred for the Labour Party, because everything he was doing is not to promote the Labour Party. Following the court that lifted Abure's suspension, so I know that Apapa is not happy. So their team is not happy. Let me leave you to watch this latest video from his spokesperson and see the type of hatred in their heart. If you see the way they talk, you know that no, these people, there is something wrong.
My Lord, for asking the senior learned counsel representing the other side, that is Abure and co, that is my order still subsisting or not, and he answered in affirmative that the order still subsist, and so the court rule that his order still subsist until when set aside by the Court of Appeal. So for anything that has been done after on the 5th of April by Abure and his cohort, they did that in illegality and is not going to stand in law. That is the position.
The judge, for those of you that were inside the court, made it expressly clear, contrary to the false allegation or false rumor or false news they are parading out there, that the order of the court has been set aside, that is now the chairman. The court has made it clear today that the order he made on the 5th of May, restraining, the 5th of April rather, restraining Abure and 4 others, himself, the national secretary, the national organizing secretary, the national treasurer, that the order seek endures, that the order seek subsides. In other words, that the order seek remain. So that anybody disobeying that order is doing that on his own. That no court has vacated that order. That he has not received any notice from the Court of Appeal that other order has been set aside. And until that order is vacated or set aside, that order still remain, and Abure and the other 4 persons still remain restrained.
But the trial judge also won because of the miscomprehension of his order that is out there, being given different interpretation from different quarters to suit the claim that his order restraining Abure, Farouk, the national treasurer and the national organizing secretary of Labour Party from parading themselves as national officers of the party still remains. So the essence of this application for stay, the order for stay of proceedings today is to await the outcome of the intermediate court, which is the appeal court, on the matter. So as it stands, anybody who continues to do any business with them will be doing it at his or her own risk.
We were able to convince His Lordship that there is a cogent and pending appeal before the Court of Appeal. And in deference to the hierarchy of courts, His Lordship decided to stay the proceedings before him pending the application for stay at the Court of Appeal. That's all that happened. Nothing controversial, nothing untoward, nothing. There's a pending appeal, and he was convinced that the appeal is real.